I've got X11 open, and let's see, I'm just gonna draw a closed polyline, and I'm gonna make it 3.5 inches wide, 3.5, and 1.5 inches tall, 1.5. Now I'm going to take this and curve the top with a curve tool like that. And just to make this kind of even more so, I'm going to curve this side and curve this side. Yeah. Now I'm going to take that and add it to the library. Add to library, left click. My library opened on my other monitor. And there it is. And we'll rename that. Curved rail. I'm going to put that back on my second monitor. Now I don't need this anymore now that it's in the library. Delete that. Go over here and make a deck. Whoa, boy, I need to zoom back some. Now let's just take this piece of railing here, open its dialog box, go over to rails, and find the top rail. And this is currently what I have selected. I'm going to replace that. And go down to user catalog, curved rail. Okay. And there it is. Now, also, here's the height and the width. Let's make it, well, the width is about right. Well, that's actually about the right proportions. I think I want to change also my newels and balusters from this type here to the square. And the balusters will change those just to square also. And I'm going to change the materials for this particular kind of a deck. Where I have Brazilian cherry, I'm going to change that to bone. Color bone. There we go. Now we'll just extend this out. And there you should have it. Yep. And if we open the dialog box for this thing, call it a deck, I haven't specified it. It'll take on more deck-like attributes. Yeah. So that's how you do that. Okay. Hope that answers your question. Have a good day.